Hey, how are you? So a few days ago, Apple updated its operating systems for the iPhone, the Apple Watch, and the HomePod, and the Apple TV. And after a few days with those updates, it's time to see 16 new changes in the HomeKit. Let's start. The first thing Apple added is Home Keys, which means that from now on the iPhone can support the opening of smart locks that supports HomeKit by approaching with the iPhone itself or your Apple Watch to your smart lock. There are no locks that support this option yet, but we can expect to see it soon in the market. Cameras. Apple has increased the number of cameras that can be added to HomeKit security with 3 types of iCloud Plus programs, an optional 50GB program which supports 1 camera, 200GB which supports 5 cameras, and 2TB which supports an unlimited number of cameras. So you can connect all your cameras that support HomeKit and they can shoot and record the same time. Apple have also added the option to notify you when the cams identify packages next to your door, people, and more. Accessories can support Siri, which means that products developers can integrate Siri into the smart accessories. So Siri will be a part of the product itself, like Ecobee Thermostat, which was presented this year, in which Siri was built into the device itself. There are currently no products out there that support that yet, but there will be probably soon. From now on, you can ask Siri to make future automations at different times. For example, you can ask Siri to turn the lights in the living room in about 10 minutes, or ask her to close the garage door in 3 minutes. And what will happen is that the new automation will appear in the Home app and it will delete itself from the list after the automation will be executed. And if we'd like, we can edit it manually in the additional options. Really nice. From now on, it is finally possible to give names to the automations we created. So it's very easy to know what each automation does instead of having to go into the automation itself one by one, trying to understand what's what. Apple added a new option which increases our flexibility for our products. Go to automations area and you will see that it's now possible to create automation that will trigger another automation. For example, it can be set so that whenever the balcony lights will turn on, it will also cause the balcony shutters to close down or to open. Very nice. The Apple Watch Home app has finally received a great upgrade which makes it much clearer and easier and simpler to operate. I can also say that according to my experience during testing the app, there's a huge improvement regarding to the response time from the second you send the command from your Apple Watch Home app to the time the accessory is really executed. Finally, they upgraded the terrible mess it had showing all your accessories all over the place. Now, when you open the Apple Watch Home app, you'll see a status of your walking accessories like which lights are on, if there's an open shutter, or even if it's necessary to replace an accessory's batteries. A huge improvement in the Apple Watch Home app is that now, instead of scrolling through countless accessories that are all over the place connected to our home until we can find what we're looking for, now we can see our favorite scenes on the top and below that our rooms. And you can enter the room and you will see a specific accessories which are configured to this room. Very easy. It's about time. Before I continue, I would like to ask you to click the subscribe button below the video and on the bell icon so you'll get updates on the new videos. So thank you very much. From now, it's possible to ask the HomePod to run apps on the Apple TV. So it's really nice to ask her to run a TV show on Netflix. Apple TV now supports spatial audio, Apple's newest audio format. We just need to connect our AirPods Pro and start watching and have fun. And when the content will support the spatial audio, you'll be able to hear it. Great. For those who have cameras that supports HomeKit, now you can see all the cameras on your Apple TV screen on the same time, and we get many options for cameras notifications on our screen. This is really great improvement. In addition, there are options for setting up alerts in everything related to security accessories, such as door sensors, locks, and more. Well, those were the 60 new features for our HomeKit, and they are truly great additions to what we love in the HomeKit app. So, if you have not signed up yet, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Bye.